Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. GNS Designs custom wraps coming out at you from Dekalb, Illinois. And on today's episode, we got this bad boy right here, this Jaguar right here. So we're going to be doing some wrapping on this front end right here. So this whole grill, yes, I said it, this whole grill right here is going to be wrapped. So I'll show you guys all that. This one's going to be one of those time-lapse situations. Next thing is we're going to wrap the bottom down here. Same thing on the front over there. Well, I didn't even see that, but there's another one underneath there. Check that out. We're going to be wrapping that out too. Woo, buddy. All right, so we're going to be wrapping this thing right here too, which isn't really that bad. Next, we're going to be rolling on to, we got the trim on the windows. Yeah, easy thing right there too. Look at this. So I'm just going to wipe this car down, clean it up a little bit, make sure it's all nice and pretty. Then move on. And on the back of the car, well, the thing we're going to do is we're going to do this whole back piece right here. And we're going to do an overlay over the top. So what I mean by an overlay, we're just going to cut out the logo, put it right over the top of it. We can't really wrap this too well because you can go a little bit inside here. But when you get up to the teeth right there, yeah, that's not going to go too well. So I'm just going to do a nice overlay on that. Same thing on that one, XJL. Just do a nice overlay on that for this too. Customer wanted it like that. It makes it so it's easy. So, you know, communicate with your customers and they will work with you as well. So, all right, so we're about to hit this. I'm gonna break this up into several little components here in the whole video, but at least then you guys can kind of see what's going on. So we're gonna get rid of the chrome, but put rose gold chrome. All right, so stay tuned. Hit the like, subscribe, notification button, and guess what? Leave me that comment. Subscribe, and yes, it's free. It's free. Free to you. All right, anyways, till then, peace out. Catch you at the end of the video. Alright guys, so on this part of the car, I was trying to do with the mirrors on. I don't like it. So if you look here, it doesn't look that good. To some, they might be okay, but I'm not liking it. So in order to get that to look good, what you gotta do, so these Jaguars, they've got special places to take the stuff out. So you take that key up, there's a screw right there to put that one out. There's one up there in the back you gotta take out, right up there in the back. Another one right over there. Up here, here's a piece of panel goes on top of that, but that comes out. You pop this whole thing out. Now up here on the inside, there are special, I'll show you. There's special pieces right there. Then just to get this mirror off, which is what I'm doing, you gotta take those out. But you gotta do all that just to take this car off apart. So you gotta be really careful because this piece right here is expensive, so don't want to break that. Alright guys, I just found something out, which game changer for me anyways. So on this Jaguar right here, this piece of chrome right here, it actually pops right out. Makes things a hell of a lot easier, and I can put it back together. So check this shit out. Oh yeah. Slides right out, comes right off. So now, wrap this bad boy real quick and put the bad boy back on there. That'll make things a heck of a lot easier. If you didn't know it, now you know. I originally took in these pieces right here. Kind of turn it right there. And I made this so I can overlap it on the car. And because I took these pieces off, now, look at this. Just saved some material, and now I can wrap this right here. Win-win. Alright guys, so on this part right here, what I'm doing is I'm doing this in 4 pieces. Well, sorry, 3 pieces, because the way you gotta do it is, unfortunately you have to do an inlay, but it is what it is, otherwise it's gonna fail. So here's kind of what I got started. So basically what I did was, you can see I got the knifeless tape, I'm using it in here as a violin part. And then I'm gonna do the same, I got started over there. So and put some knifeless tape over top of it, and then it's all ready to roll. So, alright guys, look at this. I took it off the car. Actually looks a lot better than doing it on the car. Who would have thought? You had to do it in pieces, but you know what? It's going to look pretty good when I'm done and put it on the car. So this one right there, you can see what it's going to look like, but I did the Jaguar. I'm going to put the Jaguar name right on the side of it too, so, but not too shabby. Look at that, whoop, whoop. Yep. So, kind of crazy, but you know, looking good. Late night at the shop, I gotta get this done. It is 9:30 at night, so I got about another at least hour and a half to get this front end of this Jaguar done and release it, and the customer can pick it up so that way they can go to Chicago and do their thing. Alright guys, we got the whole outside of this grill lined up, so now I'm going to do the inside, cut it out, and put it together and show you what it looks like at the end of the video. But here's what it looks like at the front of that grill right there. So I got this all, pretty much the outline of it done. You see right there, come up and around. But now I got to push it all up and inside. You can see I kind of start pushing it in already, just like this. It goes all the way to the back here. So I got to do this all the way around. This isn't too bad up here, it's smaller, but little by little. Alright guys, we finished up the Jaguar. It's all done. Rose gold chromedelete. It looks pretty cool, especially in the sun. So check it out. Hit that like, subscribe, notification button. Guess what? Leave me a comment. And it's been a wrap. See you then. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.